Today, we are going to upload our bank account on Popo Life. But before you get to this stage, you must pass the face authentication phase. To our returning subscribers, we say a very big thank you. And if you're new here, on this channel, we talk about live streaming opportunities, Christian and inspirational content. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our uploads. As we all know, Popo Life is a global live streaming and social networking app where people watch live broadcasts of creators around the world, go live themselves, send and receive gifts from viewers. So now let's dive into uploading our account on Popo Life. The first thing you ought to do is to open your Popo Life account. You tap on the app, you allow it to load. Then it will land you on this particular page, the profile page. So you tap on points. You tap on the points. You tap on the points. When you tap on the points, you see your balance and withdraw now. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on withdraw now. So it's going to bring you to this withdraw now page. So you tap on the arrow that is on blue, tap on it. My account has been uploaded already, so I'll just take you around the process. If your own is not uploaded yet, just go ahead and follow this step-by-step guide to upload your account. If you notice here, you will see my two accounts are already uploaded. The first is USDT TRC20. I use it for the accounts. I use it interchangeably. I also use OPay. That's why you're seeing view and view, because they are already uploaded. Now, if you are yet to bind your accounts, the next thing you have to do is to choose your accounts. Now, because I've already had two accounts here, I will not choose any of them. I'll go to PalmPay. PalmPay is already having bind by the side. Anyone that is yet to be uploaded, you see bind on blue by the side. Now PalmPay does not have such a view, so it's having bind. So you tap on bind on PalmPay. Now you'll be expected to put your security password. You have to have a 6-digit security password. Maybe probably because I have already uploaded an account, but if you're new, if you're starting it new, it may not require this particular stage. Okay, so you put it. Okay, now mine has been registered, which is my 6-digit password. Okay, it's going to bring you to PalmPay, the app itself. Now the first thing you see here is full name. You write your full name. After the full name, you put the number that is the PalmPay. Okay, so after putting the number that is the PalmPay, you say please note that phone number should be 13 digits. 13 digits. That means you have to have 234. Okay, you must have 234 before you continue. Just like this one here, you must have 234. Do you understand? Then when you add your next numbers, you will now be able to get the 13 digits. So if you complete your your phone number, you have 13 digits. Your own account number and the 234 will make it 13 in number. So it must be 13 in number before you go ahead to submit. So once you are done setting this stage, you click on submit and it has submitted. I don't want to unbind the two accounts I have there, so that's why I'm not clicking on submit, because once I click on submit, it will automatically change my OP to this or my TRC20 to this. So that's all we are to do, or how to bind our account on Popo. You can bind more than one account, do you understand? But you will not use the two accounts. It's only one that you can use. As you have seen view and on your USDT and you have seen view on OP, it shows that my two accounts can be used interchangeably. Do you understand? But you cannot use the two of them at the same time. And please, let's be careful on how we change account. Today you change to OPay, tomorrow you will change to palmpay, another day you change to USDT. It sends a wrong signal. Okay, it can they can start looking at the account as you are up to something. Okay, so let's maintain one account to avoid suspicion. So that'll be all. If you have any question regarding uploading your accounts on Popo Life, your bank account on Popo Life, please do well to drop it on the comment section and I'll attend to it immediately. For those that want to join, that say they are interested, please just indicate you're interested, then watch the videos, go ahead and upload or download the app, follow the steps, and you will see me on the panel. Okay, my agency name is OB Ike. OBY_IYKE. That is OBI. That's my agency name on Popo. Okay, so please do not make mistake. And my agency ID is 70505997. In case you want to reach me in the panel. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.